A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers team welcomes you to this video, and I am very much glad to meet you all again in this video. We are on another Sunday, and in this video we are going to see the agricultural current affairs between 21st of November to 27th of November 2021. And come on, let's get into the video. And the examination is not so far, so work hard and stay motivated. Coming to the first, Meghalaya is the first northeastern state to partner with World Food Programme to strengthen its PDS and improve food security. Yes, it is the first state in the northeastern region of India to sign a Memorandum of Understanding with United Nations World Food Programme for streamlining and strengthening of public distribution system and improving food security in the state. This partnership will enable both sides to work together towards Sustainable Development Goal 2, that is Zero Hunger. The state also signed another agreement with the Common Service Center to improve its PDS system. Coming to the next, the World Fisheries Day is annually celebrated across the world on 21st of November to recognize the contributions of millions of fish farmers and people involved with the fishery trade across the globe. The World Fisheries Day aims to draw attention to overfishing, habitat destruction and other serious threats to the sustainability of our marine and freshwater resources. And the main objective is to create robust opportunities for fishing communities to encourage fisheries as a trade, social responsibility and moral grounds of justice, and to safeguard the interests of fishing communities. And the award ceremony is conducted at Convention Centre, Odisha Secretariat, Bhubaneswar, and organized by the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. The Government of India facilitated the Fisheries Sector Awards for the first time on the World Fisheries Day 2020. And Balasore, Odisha awarded Best Marine District for the first time. Coming to the next, the State Bank of India has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Pondicherry Cooperative Milk Producers Union Limited for financing individual dairy farmers up to Rs 3 lakh, and the loan will be made available through YONO application of the State Bank. SBI has introduced a technology product named Safal, Simple and Fast Agriculture Loan for financing individual dairy farmers who are supplying milk to commercial dairies on a regular basis. Around 3,500 farmers who are supplying milk to 98 primary milk societies of Ponlight will be benefited under this agreement. Coming to the next, the Union Cabinet approved a bill to repeal the 3 farm laws which were passed by Parliament in September 2020 with an objective to bring reforms in agriculture sector, especially the marketing of farm produce. The bill to scrap the farm laws will be introduced in the winter season of the Parliament, which starts on 29th of November 2021. Coming to the next, as per the 2021 Access to Seeds Index 3rd edition, which is launched as a part of World Benchmarking Alliance, India is one among the 6 South and Southeast Asian countries that attracts most investments in the domestic seed sector from the global seed industry. The company ranked 1 is East West Seed, having a total score of 81.9, and our Indian company Mahiko Grow ranked 4 with a total score of 71.7, and it has been ranked 19th in the year 2019. Coming to the next, the Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations FAO's The State of Food and Agriculture So Far 2021 report entitled Making Agri-Food Systems More Resilient to Shocks and Stresses states that the need to enhance the resilience of the agri-food systems to address food security. And the report provides an assessment of the ability of national agri-food systems to respond to or recover readily from shocks and stresses. And this flagship publication is part of the State of the World series of the FAO. Coming to the next, the Union Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Bharati Pravin Pawar, flagged off food safety awareness vehicles at the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India office in New Delhi to make people across the country acquainted with food safety measures. On the occasion, the minister unveiled a cookbook titled Eat Right with Low Salt and a report titled National Low Salt Cooking Challenge Report, and the book History and Food, which traces history of commonly cooked and consumed foods in India, was also released. Coming to the next, National Milk Day is annually observed across India on 26th of November to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Verghese Kurian, India's father of white revolution. Remember, it is National Milk Day and not World Milk Day, and the day also aims to create awareness about the importance of milk and dairy products as a global food. The day is annually organized by the Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying under the Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying, and the National Milk Day 2021 marks the 100th birth anniversary of Verghese Kurian, who was also fondly known as the Milkman of India. Added to that, Parshottam Rupala, our Union Minister for Animal Husbandry and Dairying, presented the first ever National Gopal Ratna Awards 2021 to the winners of the Best Dairy Farmer Rearing Indigenous Cattle or Buffalo Breeds, Best Artificial Insemination Technician, and Best Dairy Cooperative Society, Milk Producer Company, Dairy Farmer Producer Organization in the country. The award consists of a certificate of merit, a memento, and a cash award of Rs 5 lakh for the first rank, 3 lakh for second rank, and 2 lakh for the third rank under each category. Coming to the next, our Union Minister of State for Agriculture, Ms. Shobha, visits the stalls of the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare at the India International Trade Fair 2021 held at Pragati Maidan. And she said that fairs and exhibitions provide an important platform for the promotion of agriculture schemes. Coming to the final thing, the Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying organizes a national stakeholder workshop on the National Action Plan to combat antimicrobial resistance. Celebrating the World Antimicrobial Awareness Week, stakeholders discuss strategic priorities for antimicrobial resistance National Action Plan. And with the aim of Swachhta Se Pavitrata, sincere and coordinated efforts are required to strengthen the overall animal health infrastructure at all levels, says Shri Parshottam Rupala. And these are all about the previous week current affairs on agriculture. I hope the video will be very much useful to you, and never forget to make note of everything. Thank you for all your supports, and do subscribe to our channel for the next earliest updates by tapping on the bell icon, and do share to a maximum if you like the video, and never forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you and see you all again.